Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be related to Jio Glass. So I've been getting a lot of messages from yesterday night. When I got up today, I got a lot of messages asking about Jio Glass. So some people were even asking whether it's fake or real news. So yes, it's true. This technology actually existed. Jio has actually made it into a compact glass form which you can actually wear and then use it for different scenarios. So we'll be talking about all of that. So let's talk about the technology first, then we'll be talking about Jio Glass. So basically this is not a new technology, it's something that has always been there. So I have a lot of VR headsets. So this one is from Samsung. So this is for the S7, S7, S6 and all those models. So you just put your phone in, clip it in, and then you can use this as a VR headset. So you can go, most of the time you will see most of these roller coaster ride kind of videos. You can actually watch complete movies on this. So a lot of things that this could do, but the problem was after a short while of time you will start getting headaches, your eyes will start watering, there will be fogging issues. So the entire lens gets fogged. So there were a lot of issues with this. So this was good for a short period of time, but you cannot really use it for a long time. So that was the issue. I have others also like this with a slider. You put the phone in and then slide it in. I have this kind which has a flap, so you put the phone in and then close it there. So all of them are the same thing, but over here you had to use your phone as the media device. So what Jio has done is they've removed that. Now let's talk about the same technology in another way. PlayStation has also got this. So basically PlayStation VR is available. It's a big headset you wear. So that has its own screen and you can play games with that. You have HTC also has a big setup for this, but the problem was it's not a complete package. So like in this, I needed to get the headset separate, I needed to get the phone separately, and then I can use it. Not all the phones were compatible. Now that's very expensive. So for me to buy like a 60,000 rupees phone and then buy a headset and then do that does not make sense. For me to buy a PlayStation 4, not 3, not 2, 4, and then get the VR headset. So VR headset will be around 30,000. The PlayStation will be around 30,000. So somewhere around 60,000 on discount, maybe around 50-ish. You will be able to get all of them together, and then again buy the game separately, then the internet, and then everything separately. So this was a very expensive affair. So what Jio has done is now let's talk about that. So now everything came down to one thing: how cost efficient is it going to be? Now all these things are not cost efficient. It was very expensive. What Jio has done is now Jio actually has their own network, their own 4G, now 5G is coming out, their own network. Now they collaborated with Google, they've collaborated with Qualcomm, a lot of different companies. Now they have the data. Now they are into education, they are into entertainment, they have DTH service, they have all of it. So they have their entire infrastructure, their own infrastructure, not beg, borrow, steal. They are not going to ask for someone for some service and all. They have their own service. So what they've done is they streamlined everything and created a media device which will actually have all the services available for you. So their data, their services, their device, so everything is under them. So anything happens, any problem, they are responsible. So they are going to take care of everything. So better service and cheaper service. Now let's talk about the glass. So the glass is actually a media device which has a screen in front and speakers built in. So now you wear it. Now you can use it for education. Like in the Jio video you've seen, you can use it for education. It's got a camera, so it can actually see things. You can have a 3D avatar of you. You can actually take your face scan or maybe take a picture or whatever you've seen that 3D image. You can do all of that, and then when you move your head, the glass recognizes, like how it recognizes on this. So everything with motion sensors, it recognizes you're moving, whatever you're doing, and then that is shown in a virtual reality world. So that's how this glass works. So now, since it's a complete infrastructure that Jio is actually providing you, not only the glass, there are services involved with this. So this is going to be much cheaper and much more affordable, and makes more sense now to buy this instead of all these other devices that I have. They were very expensive, and the add-on services were super expensive. So that is what Jio Glass is going to be. So that's basically it. That's all that I wanted to say about the Jio Glass, about the technology. This is what we know from the video, from the write-ups that we found. But in detail, how everything is going to be, how practical is it going to be, how useful it's going to be, we'll come to know only when we get the device in our hand. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.